Hello everyone, I'm Steve Williams with Sentinel Emergency Solutions, and I'd like to talk to you today about Staunton, Illinois' brand new Rosenbauer pumper. Okay guys, let's get into the truck today. So I'm going to talk about the cab. So basically the customer chose a 4-door Freightliner. This Freightliner offers overhead clearance. It gives the crew a little bit more room inside the cab. Underneath the cab, you'll see that we have integrated booster reels. So we have 2 reels, one on both the officer side and the driver's side of the truck. As we come into the pump area, you can see that we have a Watrous 1,500 gallon per minute pump. This truck has a 1,000-gallon water tank. This body is a 3/16 formed aluminum body built by Rosenbauer. As we get into the compartments, you can see that we have dividers. We can customize the layout just about any way the customer would like. Over the wheels, we got compartmentation for SCBA bottles. Some nice wide openings for fans and large items to be stored in the truck. As we come around to the back of the truck, we also have the Rosenbauer Easy Climb ladder. So Rosenbauer will custom build these ladders for the truck itself. As we look on the back of the truck, we have a large direct tank fill and a large discharge on the back. We also have another compartment in the back just for rescue tools and smaller items that the department wants to store. I want to talk to you about our ladder rack on this truck. This is a one-of-a-kind ladder rack made by Rosenbauer. So the ladder rack comes off the back of the truck, as you can see here. So sometimes we get into that point where we don't have a really good place to put ladders on a truck. Rosenbauer makes this exclusive rack, and as this lowers, you'll see it comes down on an angle, and it makes it fairly easy for the firefighters to get the ladders off. So there you go. As you pan in, you can see we have the attic ladder off to the side, and then we have the extension ladder and roof ladder on the rack itself. Whenever we're done utilizing ladders on the fire scene, then we flip one switch and the rack will stow itself onto the pumper. Okay guys, as we come around to the officer side of the truck, I'm going to show you some compartmentation in here as well. We have adjustable shelving, and again we have a large area for storage on the base of that compartment. Over the wheels, again we also have a very large shelf and storage. As we come up to the front compartment, we have another pull-out divider, so we can mount different tools and things like that to this board. So we can always customize the compartments for the customer. Coming up to the officer side pump panel, it's nice and clean, very simple, and we like to do that. We also have really nice pump access in here for repairs and just general replacement on the truck in the future. Okay guys, as we come up to the front, I'm going to show you the discharges for the pre-connects. So we have them in front of the pump, so we have a real nice set of speed lays up front with removable trays for the customer. And again, we also have the booster reel on the officer side, one on each side of the truck, real handy in brush fires and things of that nature. Okay guys, as we come to the crew area, the back of this cab, you'll see that we have dual SCBA seats. In the middle, we have a very large EMS compartment the department requested. We also have some electrical outlets for their different charging needs. So it's a pretty nice little cabinet that Rosenbauer built for them. It's all covered in Line-X. So as you come up to the front, we have our typical driver's seat, non-SCBA. And then in the center, we built this custom center console. So when the department wants to pump and roll, they can watch the gauge and watch over their operations. And then the officer seat has a SCBA seat, which is adjustable. Okay guys, again, I'd like to thank the Staunton Fire Protection District in Illinois for their purchase of their new Rosenbauer pumper. Also, and congratulate them on their 100th year anniversary. That's a pretty big deal for them. So again, thank you to Staunton Fire Protection District in Illinois on their new Rosenbauer pumper. Also, when you go to check out videos, subscribe, like on our YouTube, check out our Facebook page, and go to our webpage for all new deliveries. Again, I'm Steve Williams, and thanks for watching.